Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do these jumbo twists, and I use the rubber band and crochet method. This is a real quick way to do this hairstyle. I've been working on this for like almost an hour and a half and I'm pretty much done. I just wanted to demonstrate how to actually do this method. It's really easy, it's not too crazy. I know you guys are used to seeing my videos where I go through each step by step and what I use. Well, not this time. This is a quick video today, so I just want to let you guys know. I'm using the hair that I used in my last video from Leonyiri, and it's 30 inches ombre burgundy braiding hair. I had some hair left over from the last video because the last one it only took me 2 packs, but I used the remaining 6 on this hairstyle, so I pretty much was able to cover the whole head jumbo braid style. And I'm just gonna get into showing you guys how to do these last 2 braids, and yeah. So y'all know shining jam is my thing, guys. So I just put that like on the roots of my hair, and then I use those small black rubber bands. And you want to make sure that you're parting squares, and you know, you're just parceling out your hair evenly so the braids can look even throughout the whole entire head. So like just like all of these. So then next, I already have some hair already taken out of the pack. I'm gonna have 1 pack left. So you should be using about this much hair for your braid. And a trick that I like to do to get the hair through the rubber band part is I twist it at the end, hold it tight, then you stick it through, crochet needle through, clip it in, and then once you get that end through, you should have it like this. Then you split your hair into 2, as you can see, and then you just tighten, you pull it to tighten the rubber band down, and then you just twist, and it's really just as easy as that. Some people use this method for box braids, all different sizes to get that knotless look. Definitely in the future I'll probably do a video on that or some other style using this method. So you just keep twisting your hair. Mind you, this is not going to be the size of your braid because this is more so straight hair, so you would have to use less hair to get your braid not as thick as mine. So you just keep braiding. I'm just going to show you guys this one more time. So you're going to take this much hair, twist the ends so that it doesn't come apart, and then you're just going to stick your needle through. down and then just twist. And I'll also leave a link to this hair in my description box. Again, it was really easy to use, easy to braid with, lightweight. So I would recommend using this hair for multiple different styles. Okay guys, and this is the look that you have. It is really long. I want to say waist length. And I'm just going to spin around to the back so you guys can see what the back looks like. And yeah, I'm gonna style it a little bit and then I'm gonna drop some pictures at the end so you guys can see the full sleigh. But thanks again for tuning to my channel. Please click that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you guys later with some more hair tutorials very soon. Thanks again for watching.